You are probably searching, how do I make money online? And one of the top results that you might see is Forex trading. Now, you have absolutely no idea if you should take the leap of faith to try trading in general. Not sure if you have enough money to even get started, or not sure if you must pay thousands of dollars in courses to learn how to trade Forex. But don't worry, I got you. This video, I'll cover whether you should start trading Forex in 2023. With all the opportunities online, you must be spoiled for choices. So, I will break down the pros and the cons of Forex trading in this video so you can make an informed decision whether it is the money-making vehicle for you. Let's get right into the video. Alright, so let's get started with the pros. I've gathered a total of 5 benefits of starting to trade Forex in 2023, so pay close attention. Number 1, the barrier to entry is low for Forex trading. You can start trading Forex with as little as $10, which is attractive to those with little capital. In this sense, Forex trading has a lower barrier to entry than stock trading, which requires a far higher sum of capital to buy a top-rated stock like Tesla or Amazon. If you want to take trading seriously, a $100 account isn't enough for you to see profits that will actually impact you financially. So we tell our clients to minimally start with $1,000 if you can, as if you could make 10% a month in Forex, that's a $100 extra that you can use to pay off some of your bills. Number 2, education to learn how to trade is completely free. There isn't a need to pay a few hundred or even thousands of dollars for a trading course. In 2023, you can use tons of information on the internet to learn. You got YouTube, you got TikTok, Twitter, and Google searches to help you in your trading journey to become a profitable trader. And that's why I don't believe in charging my clients a fee to join our trading community or sell them a course or anything like that. If the information is out there for free, it should stay that way. That's what the internet is for. Sharing of information. Now, if you want to take a look at our trading community with over 20,000 members, go ahead and click the link in the description down below to join. Don't worry, it's absolutely free to join. Point number 3, it's a transferable skill set. This skill set that I'm talking about is actually called technical analysis. It's where you're able to interpret candles and understand where the markets are headed. You can carry this skill set over to other financial markets. For example, you got crypto, you got stocks, commodities, and many more things in the financial market. So, if you ever want to trade another financial instrument, you won't be clueless as to how to read a chart, as you have the foundational knowledge of how to analyze a chart. With that being said, it brings me to my next point. It is also a recession-proof skill. When the pandemic hit in 2020, everyone was in lockdown. The whole world stopped working. No one is earning money from their 9-to-5 jobs at their office. But guess what? The financial market doesn't stop moving. It waits for no one. The Forex market is open 24/5, which means that you can find a suitable time that fits your lifestyle and trade whether you're at an office, at home, or even traveling. You can use this as a way to earn another stream of income when times are tough or to boost you to where you want to be financially. Now, the last benefit of trading Forex in 2023 is that there is high leverage vehicle for you to gain capital. Now, when I started trading 6 years ago, only one prop firm company existed, FTMO. But even then, it wasn't heavily marketed as everyone else was unaware of the benefits it could bring to a retail trader. But in 2023, there are currently more than 100 prop firms available for you to use. These prop firms fund you capital when you pass their challenge, and it can be as cheap as $39 for a $5,000 trading capital challenge. But most people go for the 100K account challenge, which costs anywhere from $500 to $600, which is pretty affordable for the amount of capital that you can potentially manage. Personally, for those that are new to the channel, I'm a multi-6-figure prop firm funded trader, and I have used these prop firms to get me 5-figure payouts consistently throughout my trading career. So yes, I think it's definitely a good way to use the opportunity provided to you to make money. Now, my Forex funds got taken down for fraud and scam, as you guys already know, but one bad apple doesn't spoil the whole bunch. With this saga going on, legitimate funding companies will work around the clock to make sure they comply with regulations to keep providing support to retail traders that need funding. So overall, I feel that it is a good incident that happened for the Forex industry, as it was bound to happen sooner or later anyways. So I would rather them get the regulations out of the way so that we can focus on getting funded. Now, Forex trading in itself is quite a lucrative industry to get in to grow your capital fast, but it's not a bed of roses. It's not going to be a straight path to success. With that, I want to go through the 3 harsh truths that you must know if you want to take trading seriously. Number 1, the Forex industry is accessible to all, but only a few succeed. A study has shown that 74.9% of traders lose their money in the markets. Most people are more emotional and greedy just by the thought of making money. And because of that, it will cause you as a trader to potentially overtrade, revenge trade if you lose money, and even gamble if you're not following your trading plan. The next one I want to bring up is that trading takes time to master. Everyone expects to earn money fast, since you can earn money with a click of a button. I mean, you're not wrong, it's actually simple, but the tough part is doing it consistently. Imagine making a doctor's salary in a year of trading. Sounds good, right? But most people want to be able to have the ability to do so just by trading 1, 2, or even 3 months in. Now, if a doctor takes 7 years in school and many more years in practice to earn his keep, what makes you think that trading is any easier? Now, I'm not saying that you need 7 years to become profitable, but you need to be able to put in the time and the effort to chart daily, doing your back testing, your forward testing, your reviewing of your charts, and reflecting on the choices that you make every single day. Not for 1 month, 2 months, or even 3 months, but for however long it takes for you to get profitable. The road is going to be a tough one. You're going to want to quit multiple times in your journey as a trader. But you must understand that only the successful traders stick it through all the way to the end. The last point I want you guys to take note is that you have to keep up with the current affairs that could affect the currency prices. The thing that we trade here in Forex is currencies. Whatever a country does politically or financially will affect the prices of these currencies. Currently, the US dollar dominates financial markets and international trade. Over 88% of the global trade is funded with the US dollar, which accounts for 58% of the world's foreign exchange reserves. So, if you're trading pairs like the euro dollar or gold, which is against the US dollar, you must keep up to date with the current global affairs of the US dollar. A recent financial term, BRICS, B-R-I-C-S, has come out recently and has been worrying the Forex community about what the future holds for the Forex market. For those of you who aren't aware of what it is a proposed common currency backed by gold and supported by the BRICS alliance, which include major countries such as India, China, Russia, Brazil, and South Africa. This currency aims to challenge the dominant position of the US dollar as the global reserve currency. In my honest opinion, it won't mean that forex trading will be gone in the future. It's just additional currencies being added to the list of things that we can trade. So nothing much to be worried about. You just need to stay abreast on the developments of BRICS and monitor the market dynamics, as it might potentially affect the pairs that you trade. One of the websites that I frequently use to keep myself updated on news is Forex Factory. Now, this website has a lot of benefits. It tells you when it's high impact news, low impact news, and everything under the sun with regards to the financial market. In conclusion, there are many more upsides to Forex than you think, and I hope that this video explains that clearly for you. In the journey of becoming a trader, doesn't matter which financial markets that you're trading, you must always find a community of people around you that are supporting you, be it with educations, live streams, and even potentially signals to help you out in your early stages of your trading career. To be able to talk to someone that has more experience than you will smoothen the learning curve by a lot. If you want to join an ever-growing community of Forex traders where we help you in your journey in becoming a successful trader and showing up every single day to go through the markets with you, click the link down below in the description box to join our free Telegram group where we provide signals, education, real results, and tons of testimonials of people who have benefited from our free content. If not, that's all from me in this video. Don't forget to like this video if you have gained some insights. Comment down below what you think about Forex trading and a topic that you want me to go through with you guys in the future. Last but not least, subscribe for more trading or finance related content that we release every single week. This is Callisto, and I'll see you in the next one.